You run a business, or at least plan to. So are you a business owner or an entrepreneur? Although these two terms are often used interchangeably, they aren't necessarily one and the same. There are several key differences that separate the two, which we're going to discuss in this lesson. What is a business owner? Do you own a business? Well, if so, you're a business owner. It's as simple as that. Whether your line of work is paving, hauling, roofing, or something else, if you provide a product or service to your customers, you're a business owner. And as a business owner, you likely have a strong and in-depth understanding of your industry as well as who your target market might be. As an industry insider, you likely have this kind of knowledge even long before you launched your business. You might step into your role as a business owner after the business has already been opened, or you might start a business on your own. Another key detail to note is that as a business owner, you profit from the success of your business. In most cases, this is your sole or primary source of income. Your main goal is to run your business and to run your business successfully. So what is an entrepreneur? While a business owner might take over an existing enterprise, an entrepreneur almost never does this. This is the key difference between an entrepreneur and a business owner. Most entrepreneurs will establish companies on their own from scratch. They have to seek financial support from investors in many cases, and they often start with limited resources and therefore must take risk. Because of the risky nature of being an entrepreneur, few who venture down this path use their business as a sole source of income. Brand new companies almost always need time to turn a profit and build a customer base, especially if you aren't sure what your target market might be as you're getting started. As an entrepreneur, your focus is innovation. You're not only trying to meet the needs of your customers, as a business owner is, but you might even be attempting to create a product or service that doesn't exist yet. Risk is the name of the game for entrepreneurs. This kind of business owner is often more willing to take on large risk in exchange for true innovation. Business owners, on the other hand, are generally more focused on profitability. So what are the main differences between an entrepreneur and a business owner? Now, there's quite a bit of overlap between entrepreneurs and business owners. However, the main differences can be categorized as variations in their origins, type of products and services offered, leadership styles, logistics of running the business, risk management philosophies, and goal-setting strategies. Now, we'll take a closer look at these areas below. Their origins. One of the main differences between business owners and entrepreneurs is how they get started. Business owners can start their company in a variety of ways. They might purchase an existing company or inherit one. And of course, like entrepreneurs, they can always start their own business too. A business owner may even move into the top role simply because they're the most qualified person who already works for the company. As a stark contrast to that, entrepreneurs always start their companies from scratch and are almost always responsible for managing all aspects of the business from start to finish. An entrepreneur can decide to build a business at any point, and the key point here is that the company does not belong to any other person before they take over. They are the first and the top in the chain of command. Want to view the entire lesson as well as all of the other lessons included in this course? Visit heavyape.com and use the coupon code E&C to get 25% off.